Alright, back with Kingdom Overlanding. We're going to be going up north this weekend, headed to Willard Springs Rd. So it's basically a little bit south of Flagstaff, Arizona, right after Munds Park. It's been a lot of fun. We're going to be testing out some new equipment on our Ford Expedition. We got new wheels, our Method race wheels, we got new tires, BF Goodrich all-terrains, and of course our Icon suspension lift. So we're gonna try and get to a good spot where we can, get some good views, maybe a good camping spot. Really excited about that. We're gonna be meeting up with some family up there. It's part of the whole deal with our channel. We want to do this with family. So also, okay, we're doing kind of a test run with our camping style because we don't really have our rooftop tent ready yet, or the roof rack. So we're gonna be testing out how it is gonna be sleeping in the back of our Expedition. Because my plan is to have my two older girls sleep in there, and then me and Cassie and the baby Scarlett will sleep in the tent itself. So we're going to test that run. We're going to kind of find our weaknesses and strengths, what kind of equipment we need, heaters, sleeping stuff, cooking stuff.
Where put the dog?
Yeah, where are we going to put the dog? Yeah, it's a big question mark right there. But we've got kind of a safety net because my parents will be up there with their big camper trailer, and he's fully rigged out for whatever emergencies or whatever equipment that we don't have. So it's gonna be a fun weekend. We're gonna be able to just get our feet wet, like I said, test out some equipment, push the limits a little bit, and hopefully have some fun adventures. The trail kind of comes in right through this way off of Willard Springs Rd. Yeah, this is a nice little spot. You can really see the canyon coming through over there. Be a great place. It's okay. Hey, we'll hit it next time.
We're checking for damages. First real expedition. How'd it hold up?
I think we made it. Not too bad of damage. That was a gnarly trail.
There's a really mean puddle underneath.
No, there's no puddles in there. That was like the perfect amount of ground clearance. That was good. We got this off the road a little bit. We found the canyon over here. Come back in here. Hey, what is this Woods Canyon?
Yeah. No?
No, it's not Woods Canyon.
Woods Canyon is further to the east.
Further east by Pacer?
I think this might be just Kelly's Canyon.
Kelly's Canyon. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so we kind of off-roaded, got off the beaten path.
We're all Arizona natives, but we're very familiar with the geography here.
Right.
Why am I sad?
Girls, what do you guys see up there? Look at that beautiful
Monkeys, apparently.
canyon with monkeys in it.
Are there monkeys?
Scarlett, get in here. Got
All right, here's the GoPro part of the video.
No.
You're trusting him with that thing?
Yeah, he's good. I'll take. I need to check the settings real quick.
Okay, yeah, but
I need to check shutter speed.
so
Hold
now
on.
you're here, how do you...
Super awesome. This is why we get off the beaten trail. Yeah, can't beat those views right there. It's perfect. Ah! On the side of a cliff. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? We made it back.
Give thumbs up, Ash. Thumbs up, Scarlett. Thumbs up. It's the only way he would stop crying.
Survived.
Survived and the stick survived.
How was your first expedition with the Expedition?
It was decent.
Decent?
It was decent.
Decent?
South
We got-
Bend.
10 out of 10. All right, roger that.
10 out of 100.
Whoa.
10 out of 100.
Ashley, thumbs up, thumbs
Solid 10% for Daddy.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? You want to eat tonight?
I'll feed
Thumbs
you.
up,
I'll
yeah.
feed you. I'll feed you.
Yeah, thumbs up. Scarlett, thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up? All right, good job.
I got
Propane campfire.
Good thing.
No forest fires around here, right?
That's right. Yeah. Not with an open propane flame.
Fire's fire.
It was there was a little more flame to that last night.
Is it on high?
I don't know. I asked you guys. I didn't have my glasses.
We got over here, Ariel.
Well, we got a bunch of meat over there. Some hot buns.
No more hot buns. I'm done with hot buns. No more hot buns.
Okay, got it.
Kathy.
Babe.
Have a little chair for her.
Some Mexican elote cooked by the propane heater. Fancy. Very fancy.
burgers,
Cheeseburgers,
some
hot dogs,
salad.
salad,
Bacon.
fixins.
Hey, Caleb.
Caleb, just save some for everybody else, please.
Oh, thank you.
Save some.
Oh, thank you.
Put that back down.
You want some?
Put it down. Save some.
Can I put it back now?
This is not camping for the record. This is
This is glamping.
Oh.
This is Memorial Thanksgiving dinner.
yeah, mom on the couch with baby Sam Bam. You trying to sleep? Okay.
Almost.
The kitchen. Grammy and Grampy's kitchen. Their new trailer. Is it good, girls? Is it good? Is it good?
Do it again, Ashlyn.
Use that one tooth. Use that one tooth.
I think after dinner. it's
How's your
time
corn,
for
Kinsley?
gift
Kinsley, Kinsley, how's your corn? Scarlett, eat your corn.
Before
Eat your corn.
the sun goes down.
Eat your corn.
I can't eat my corn.
Why not?
You can't try.
Eat your corn.
Hi.
Some pretty awesome trails yesterday. Had a good dinner. Yeah, tasted a good dinner. Everybody's packing up. Yeah, perfect weather. It was a little cold last night, but not too bad. All right, until next time.